Welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how to add text to your video in Premiere Pro. Go to your tools panel here, activate your type tools, and move to your screen to click where you want the text to appear. Okay, and type whatever you want. For the sake of this tutorial, I will type text. Okay, so after typing my text, something happened on my timeline here. A new text layer is created here, as you can see it now. Okay, so let's go to graphic tab here. An essential graphic panel that contains all the property of this text will be displayed at your right side here, as you can see it now. Essential graphics. Okay, let's begin to add some things to our text. Number one, font size. To increase the size of our text here, all we need to do is to go to the text section here, okay? And come down to the font size. The default size there is 100. So you can increase this value to increase your text or decrease it to decrease your text. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will increase this to 300 because I want it to be more visible. Okay, so we have a bigger text now on our screen. Okay, number two is the font. While we are still on text section here, go to the font box here, okay, and click on this arrow. Scroll down or up to choose any font of your choice. Okay, I will choose, let me choose this one, okay? So as I choose, click on that font now, we can see now that a new font are being added to our text, okay? You can also come down here also to add italics, okay? To add italics to that font, okay? So next is color. To add color to our text here, all we need to do is to come to the appearance section here, okay? And click on this fill box, okay? Once you click on it, a color picker window appear here, okay? And you can use your mouse to select any color of your choice, okay? But for here now, I would like to choose red color and then click OK. As you can see now, a red color have been added to our text, okay? Next one is stroke, okay? To add stroke to this text now, all we need to do is to check this box to activate the stroke, okay? So we click on it and then you increase the value that you have there. What we have there now is 0.1. You can increase it to maybe something like 15. You can see that a scroll have been added to our text here, okay? Next one now is the background. To add background to our text here, what we need to do is to come down here and check this box to activate our background, okay? Now, what we need to do here now is to change the size of our background here so that it can be visible under our text. Okay, so I will increase the value to maybe 100. Okay, so as you can see now, we have background for our text. We can also change the color of our background by click on the color box here and color picker appear here and then you use your mouse to choose any color of your choice. Okay, let's have something similar to white here, and then click OK. So you can see now that we have a background to our text. Okay, next is shadow. To add shadow to our text, all we need to do is to check the shadow box here. Okay, and then increase the value of the distance here, okay, to something like 18. As you can see now, we have shadow around our text here, as you can see now. Okay, so basically, this is how we can add text to our video in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.